Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best hand core Carnivore is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of equipment for anyone serious about building serious grip strength and forearm power, offering a unique and challenging way to train muscles that are often neglected in traditional workouts, pushing your limits and unlocking new levels of performance in everything from weightlifting to everyday tasks. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride. Enhance your squat technique with this compact machine. It allows for a greater range of motion while engaging your entire body. It's a trusted, all-in-one solution for both cardio and strength. Achieve a powerful, full-body workout with a single, effective movement. This ergonomic machine targets your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders, ideal for low-impact training at home. Connect your trainer to the free Sunny Fit app for guided sessions, personalized plans, and real-time progress tracking. Join a global community and learn from top trainers. Tailor your workout with multiple pin lock positions, allowing for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatility ensures a balanced routine that fits your specific goals and flexibility. Challenge yourself with 3 built-in resistance bands, providing up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts whether you're a beginner or advanced. This compact machine folds up easily for convenient storage, making it perfect for any home gym, apartment, or small living space. It's lightweight and simple to move around. Engineered for durability and stability, this trainer supports up to 330 pounds. It's built for reliable, long-term performance, suitable for all fitness enthusiasts. What we like. This machine offers a comprehensive full-body workout targeting multiple muscle groups. If you are looking for an all-in-one cardio and strength solution that fits into a small living space, this is a great choice. Its connected fitness app provides guided workouts and tracking, making it ideal for those who enjoy structured training at home. What people say. It came together beautifully and easily. It's really well considered, and the bolts and nuts come already in their spots. In a mere single use, granted, the motion was smooth, it felt stable. This comes set as the most intense, highest resistance, mode. But by changing the seat post height and reducing from 3 to 1 the connection of the resistance bands, I can now absolutely use this as a more regular cardio device. Number 4. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights, including FDA-authorized reports. Understand how your DNA may affect your chances of developing certain health conditions. Optimize your wellness with insights for diet, exercise, and sleep. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions. Use these insights to make informed decisions about your family's future. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit. Just spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures. Dive deep into your ancestry and explore your unique family tree. Understand where you come from and connect with your heritage. What we like. Discover your unique genetic makeup with detailed health and ancestry insights. If you are curious about your family history and want to understand how your DNA might influence your health, this is the perfect kit. It provides actionable, science-backed information to help you take proactive control of your well-being. What people say. 23 provides FDA-approved reports on your risk of 9 medical conditions, including Alzheimer's, plus several genetic carrier reports. Their discussion explanation of your risks for these conditions is specifically approved by the FDA and is understandable, informative, and useful. 23andMe found 1175 people that are related to me. My relatives on 23andMe are all 10th degree relations, so the most closely related person is about a 4th cousin with less than 0.4% shared DNA. The trait reports were fun to go through, they all lined up. I think the wellness reports are perhaps the most immediately useful results for your individual health. Number 3. OCOOPA HotPal Rechargeable Hand Warmer. Introducing the OCOOPA HotPal, your ultimate solution for cold hands. This portable heater is perfect for all your outdoor adventures and everyday needs. Recognized by USA Today as a top gift, the HotPal ensures your hands stay toasty. It's ideal for anyone who spends time outdoors or in chilly environments. Experience personalized warmth with 3 adjustable temperature levels. Choose the perfect heat from 95 degrees Fahrenheit up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit to match your comfort. Equipped with a 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides hours of warmth. Plus, its USB-C port allows you to charge your devices on the go. Crafted from premium aluminum and ABS, this hand warmer is built to last. Its anti-skid, portable design ensures a comfortable and secure grip. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This rechargeable hand warmer is a great choice for anyone who deserves a little extra warmth and comfort. What we like. Experience rapid warmth with adjustable temperature settings for ultimate comfort. If you frequently engage in outdoor activities during colder months or suffer from cold hands, this portable heater is a must-have. Its long-lasting battery and durable design ensure warmth and convenience wherever you go. What people say. It heats up quick, has different levels of warmth so you can gradually warm your hands, and it charges quick and the charge lasts a good amount of time. The 7800 mAh is about 20% wider, but the same thickness and length as the 5200 mAh version. The 5200 mAh version is probably better suited to smaller hands, but I don't think that should drive your decision. The extra 50% capacity kind of makes up for it. This little hand warmer surprised me, however, in its substantial weight and build quality, and it doesn't hurt that it looks nice too. Operation of the device is very simple as well, and it does get very warm quickly and stays warm as long as it's on. Just one button to turn the warmer on, check the battery level and adjust the heat output. Because of the relatively small size of the device, storage is easy and carrying it on me is easy too, making it a convenient solution on the go. Number 2. Hardcore Carnivore Black Meat Seasoning Rub. Introducing Hardcore Carnivore Black, the activated charcoal meat seasoning rub designed to elevate your grilling experience. This Texas-made blend is perfect for all your favorite cuts. Crafted with activated charcoal, this rub adds a unique depth of flavor and a beautiful dark crust to your meats. It's the secret ingredient your barbecue has been missing. Whether you're grilling steak, smoking brisket, or searing burgers, this versatile seasoning is your go-to. It delivers exceptional taste every time. Proudly made in Texas, this blend embodies the spirit of authentic barbecue. Experience the quality and flavor that comes from a true passion for grilling. The convenient 13-ounce shaker makes application simple and mess-free. Just shake it on and get ready for an unforgettable meal. Take your barbecue game to the next level with Hardcore Carnivore Black. It's more than just a rub, it's an experience for your taste buds. What we like. Elevate your grilling and smoking game with this unique activated charcoal seasoning. If you are a barbecue enthusiast looking to add a distinctive, savory flavor to your meats, this rub is for you. Its Texas-made blend is perfect for steaks, brisket, burgers, and anything else you throw on the grill. What people say. It creates a fantastic crust when seared and adds a bold, savory taste that enhances the meat. Great for brisket and burnt ends. It's not just for beef. Try it on potatoes. Seasoned fries with black is delicious. I also have found it is very good on popcorn. Number 1. Wet One Sensitive Skin Hand and Face Wipes. Introducing our new hand and face wipes, specially designed for sensitive skin. They leave your skin feeling incredibly smooth, soft, and clean after every use. These wipes are perfect for quickly cleaning up dirt and everyday messes. They effectively wipe away grime without causing irritation. Enjoy a gentle clean with our fragrance-free formula, enhanced with a touch of soothing aloe. It's a refreshing experience without any added scents. Our wipes are tough on dirt but incredibly gentle on your skin. You won't experience any sticky residue, just a clean and comfortable feel. Rest assured, these wipes are pediatrician tested and hypoallergenic, making them a safe choice for the whole family. They are also free from parabens. Experience skin that feels clean and refreshed, never dry or sticky. Our formula ensures a comfortable and revitalizing clean every time. What we like. Keep your hands and face clean and refreshed with these gentle, unscented wipes. If you have sensitive skin or prefer fragrance-free products, these are an excellent choice for on-the-go cleaning. They effectively remove dirt and messes without leaving a sticky residue, making them perfect for families. What people say. The size of the container is perfect. I put it in my car's cup holder. Very easy to use and effective when traveling with family. Just the right thickness and strong. They're gentle on sensitive skin and effectively clean up messes. The wipes are thick and durable, making them perfect for wiping hands, faces, and surfaces. The resealable packaging keeps the wipes fresh and prevents them from drying out. They are very nice and moist so you can clean up. The scent is light and very fresh, and because it is for sensitive skin, it feels just the slightest bit moisturizing on my hands. The container seals very well so that the wipes don't dry out, which has always been a problem with other items with this kind of distribution method. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.